Over 1 million houses burn down per year in the world.
That's why it's best to have smoke detectors installed all around your house. It's important to have smoke detectors on each floor of your house, especially near bedrooms, and make sure they work properly. Test them every month and change their battery every 6 months. Smoke detectors do expire, so change them 10 years from the manufacturing date. If fire spreads, call 911 and get out of your house immediately. Firefighters don't just save lives, smoke detectors do too.